This is the first we fold at middle. Hello GRX, happy to see you. Then the first beads, let's going to put it in any one of the bead in random of the wire, one of it. Okay, one of the wire here, this way, here. Then let's see what we are going to do. Use another piece of the wire here to wrap this one at the front, and this one will go to wrap it on the back. So it's like this. Then next we will be going to string the beads at this wire. The wire that's used to wrap, we wrap the wire here, put these beads at the wrap wire, then use this wire going to wrap it. So going to wrap, and also when this one the wire on the front, and after wrap it's going to wrap it the back. So it come like this. It come like this. Then next we're going to use the wrapper wire string the beads. Always use the wrapper wire string the beads. Here, wrapper wire string the beads. Hi Zava, happy to see you. Hi GRX. And then these beads here, we use this wire come to wrap it. Come to wrap here. And this one on front will go to wrap it on the back. So it's like this. And then again use this piece of the wire, string the beads. String the beads, this one here. And this wire, that's the first one, string the beads, we go to use it to wrap the beads. Let it here come, and let it not move. One on the back, then wrap it come to front. So it's here. Next, use the piece of the wrapper wire, string the beads. Keep to use this wire, string the beads. Okay, then here we are going to wrap it. Here, this way. So it will keep like this wrap. Zoe, we are making a bracelet here. This way. Then again use this one. The wire used to wrap, we use to string the beads. 早上好，猫猫咪。Here, come and see this way. Here, wrap. Cross. So always keep one back, one front to lock the beads. Okay, then use the wire who wrap the beads to string the beads. If it's a wrapper, then it string the beads. Good night, Sita. Here is this one here, then this way. Wrapper. Here it's always like this. Here, and string the beads, use this one here. So It's always continue. This wire wrapper, so it's by the turn the wire string the beads. Okay, then this wire string the beads from now, and it's going to wrapper. So it's always like this. Yes, it will be going to be a bracelet. Wrapper the beads, so string the beads. Okay, then use it to wrap it. Here, this way. Lock, wrapper the beads, string the beads. Here, this one, and use this one to wrapper. Here, this one. Okay, by the turn to wrapper. Here again, this one, string. Hello Rondia, hi, happy to see you. Here, it's wrapper. Here, and again, this one is also a way that's to make for a choker necklace, I think. Here, this way. What length wire did you start with? I started with 50, but I feel it's too short. It's better to cut it like yeah, let me see. I think about 1 meter of the wire need to cut. Start with 1 meter of the wire. 1 meter means 100 centimeter, 0.8. Hi Sophia, happy to see you. It's better start with 1 meter if for a bracelet. Here, fold it. This one the wire on the bottom, and we wrap it front. Okay. When this one wrapper it string the beads, then use another wire come to wrap it here. So it's always like this. Hi. What is the size of the wire? This one, the size here. You can try, it's not so much hard. If any friends you can make it together with me. If you have the materials, you can make it together with me. Here. This one. Okay. Then the last piece. Hello, Janelle, for you. Just don't push the beads all the way down. Yes. Here. Yeah, not put the beads here. It must be let the beads with space here, and wrap here, wrap. So it need a space about 5 mm between chain. Yeah, some chain on half. It's a bracelet here. I will put the adjustable bracelet here. What's the meaning? One piece wire, one wire. I will going to use the big size beads to try it again. No tutorial yet still. Okay. Okay, it's a bracelet like this. Yeah. I'm going to use the wire seeker and